Hello everyone, today we're going to see Trident Ultra Pro Smart Locks. Okay, this is the box. It's quite pretty heavy. Okay, that's good. So we will get a user manual guide. It's in English. It's an international version. Okay, and you will get a one-to-one installation template. Okay, here you go. You can see inside the box, the protective is in very good conditions to protect the locks. Okay, this is the 𝗦𝗘𝗖𝗛𝗟. Okay, it's a very quite solid 𝗦𝗘𝗖𝗛𝗟. It's stated here is SUS304. It's a stainless steel. Okay, so you will see a striker box and the front and back body. Wow, it's a matte type of the black color. So this is the back body, and you can see the internal is in very good conditions. It's a metal, very solid stainless steel metal. This is the back body. This is the front body. With a Trident logo. And this is the full matte finishings. I like the finishings very well. Okay. Oh, the handle is very comfortable. It's come with the grip here. So when you hold it, it is in very comfortable. And the handle is very solid. You can, it's not able to shake from here. And don't worry, you can actually switch the handle to left or right according to your door directions. Okay, this is the fingerprint sensor. Same as the back body, is a stainless steel plate. Come with the rubber. And you are getting the accessory bag. Okay, there's two accessory bags. Okay, so every screw requires insert. And this is the mechanical key. You will get two pieces of mechanical key. It's different across the locks, even if it's same model. And you will get a total of 3-piece access card. Okay. Okay, this is the item. Basically, you will see inside the box. Okay, you will get a screw set, the accessory. This is the access card, mechanical key, back body, front body, the striker box, and the 𝗦𝗘𝗖𝗛𝗟 and the rubber of the door locks, and the manual books in installation guide. Okay, so actually you can see it here. This is the fingerprint reader, passcode card reader is here. Okay, as I mentioned just now, the handle is very comfortable to hold. And I just want to show you one more thing, is the keyhole is at the bottom. So when there's an emergency happens, you can just take the key to unlock it right here. Okay, and there's a USB port here, so that when there's emergency, you can use the power bank to unlock it, to jumpstart it, I mean. And this is the battery cover. So the door locks actually come with the battery as well, AA alkaline battery. Okay, so this is the battery covers using the AA battery. Okay, so 4-piece AA battery is required here. There's a double lock button as well, so when in the midnight you can double lock it, nobody can access from the door locks. Okay, however, the master admin and the mechanical key is able to override it. Okay.